2-1 kali ini poin. Memimpin kita lihat tim Mikasa muda, masih Maulana jam serve. Risi bola Ipan, kita lihat Jackie ini masih mampu antisipasi. Kurang cermat tampaknya. Defense dari saudara Apalu. 2 sama. Kembali Risi bola Apalu.
Important than ever now that Japan side this ball out. Great shot. Oh, there you go, super spike. Ishikawa has absolutely pumped this. Oh, what a hit.
Expect to deal with this. Join up the dots, isn't it? This Fujini serving Leal. And the block try comes in. Yamauchi was there as well, but that's all. Ishikawa. Well, they've been siding out brilliantly. Now they've got themselves in front here. Japan serving with It's a beauty. It's a beauty. Has just secured a second ace there. Brazil. Nothing between them here in this fourth set. Totally different to the third set, which was all over so early. Here, you take a point. We have 3 block points. The Argentinians yet to register. There's another serve that isn't particularly well handled. The attack hit comes in from Poglahen. That's repelled as well. Oh, tricky stuff. They're looking for the double touch there, Argentina, and not getting it. Well, they're getting really creative over there now, the Japanese. There it is. Everyone's thinking Ishikawa was going for the big attack hit. Instead, he pushes it outside, and Nishida says, "Oh look, nobody home." Ah!
Score for Patrick. And Antoine Briza has also gone off. In the meantime, Ishikawa continues to draw Japan level. Timothy Khan it is who is on for Captain Briza. If that's just a tactical substitution or whether the problem with his arm.
May not get a chance to redeem it. Egypt look to side out here, then work on picking up those 2 points they need on serve. Sakita with another one of his clever serves and a block. Ishikawa. Beautiful block here to send Japan into the second technical timeout with momentum fully restored here. A one-on-one stuff block. Japan back in Egypt on the brink of a 2-1 lead here. Played it soft again. Might get red this time and Ishikawa will smash it down the line. But Japan really are now playing catch-up and they've got 7-9. Ooh, they've made a mess of that one, Saeed. This is just hoist and hope time. Hang it up there. Japan should put this one to bed. Sakita will send it inside. Ishikawa drills it. Puts his hand up to acknowledge the problem which came. And they may have some very serious decisions to make. Philippe Blaney, Yuki Nakagaichi, they've got a couple of their big guns on fire as well. That was much needed. It's no stopping that one. To the Yamamoto, who's picked it up beautifully in Ishikawa. Slips that away. Quality of the hitting on the outside. Ishikawa in particular has been absolutely absolutely legal. Portuguese Marco will stay on serve. Serves Ishikawa, who handles it beautifully, and that one isn't going to get blocked. And it was just a question of where Masahiro Sakita was going to place it. He went backside, and although Lorenzo was...
What a lovely piece of play from Ishikawa. Super spike once more. Straight down the middle. Oh, commender. Himself now just about sneaking ahead of Nishida once more. 106. Tosh Bednoj. Sakita long set. Ishikawa. Wow, super spike and some. Down the line it goes. Ishikawa. Absolute beauty of a spike this one.
Arshdeep Dosan. Bump, set, finish. Ishikawa with the up and down. Ishikawa. Great service again from Japan. That is one part of the game where they are firing. They've got so many players. Pike finish. Well worked to Ishikawa.
Picks that one up from Allen. Ishikawa with an absolutely drilled cross-court by Japan. Here's Flavio. Here's Ishikawa. Beautiful. Beautiful. Drops it right in the middle of that court. A really impressive response. Yamauchi. Not a good take. Got to capitalise on this, Japan. And they do. Ishikawa driving through, sending that down Main Street. And have clawed it back. They're level. Just a clean ace. Get blocks. He's taking Yamamoto. Sakita. Do his time is moved. Ishikawa would deliver that. How high it was. No sign of a block. Diverted that one.
Overpass. So Japan are in the ascendancy in this rally, and the pipe attack reaps rich rewards. 111 kilometers an hour here. That's the weaponry.
10 years younger than the great Sayed. So they will need him at some point. Nice cross-court winner there. Looks like he's going to be playing for his nation for a long, long time to come. Flat serve. The attack here just sat up.